Yo, so 15 days na since I started to go to the gym and I just wanted to check up on my progress pagdating sa aking physique. So magme-measurements ako today. So yun nga, habang mini-measure ko yung measurements ko, I just wanted to share with you guys my journey so far pagdating sa pag-gym. It's been 15 days, although I have started before, back in January to March, nag-gym na talaga ako and I developed some good progress. I stopped for a while for personal reasons. But the journey so far, sobrang hirap bumalik sa habit na okay ka na naman dati pero tinigil mo lang just because you lack the discipline to maintain it. And kaya naman gusto ko lang encourage yung iba na if you're going to start this journey, okay lang naman na patigil-tigil. Do it in your own pace, but remember that motivation is good, but discipline and dedication to your craft, to what you're doing, is much better. And other than that, I wanted to share the thing that I'm doing alongside this journey. I'm also doing 15 days of whey kasi a kuya of mine blessed me with whey protein. Binigyan niya ako and I was using it, seeing the impact on my body, and I wanted to share my progress. Look out for that video in the next few days. And other than whey protein, I am also taking creatine. Nagtitake ako ng creatine because I read about it and I saw the benefits of it and nagustuhan ko siya. I'll do a video about explaining creatine as well. Look out for that. And ano ba ang goal ko? Right now, I'm not necessarily cutting or bulking. I'm just maintaining and transitioning some of my fats or developing some of my muscles further. So hindi naman talaga ako hardcore pagdating dito sa gym, but I do want to see some progress. So kakatapos natin mag-measurements and yes, nagdamit na ako since tapos na measurements. Medyo awkward pala mag-video habang ine-edit ko yung part na yun. Medyo awkward pala tignan yung sarili mo. But yeah, so nakita ko na yung measurements ko, updated measurements ko for the day. And I gotta be honest, masaya ako sa nakikita ko. I have growth in my shoulders, partial growth in my chest. Biceps ko, mostly I think they remain the same. Kaya day 1. I think I'm very happy with the progress that I'm seeing pagdating sa day 1 ko. Forearms ko definitely they stay the same kasi babalak pa lang ako na next month pa ako or at least by January pa ako magsisimula mag-workout ng forearms since I'm kind of happy sa proportion niya sa bicep ko right now. But yeah, my waist definitely nakabawa siya even if my weight did increase from 60 to 63 kg. That's very good para sa akin kasi that means na I'm gaining muscle mass while losing some of the fat that I have. From last I checked noong March, I was around 18% body fat. 18%. Kasi day 60, punta ako sa gym ko before. Mag-check ako ng aking body fat percentage scale nila. And mag-overall workout na lang rin ako. Definitely I'll vlog that. Pero yun, shoulders, there is a 2 cm growth. Barely 2 cm growth. Actually, yan saya ko doon kasi I've been pumping out a lot of lateral raises para makita yung bulge niya lalo pagdating sa side view pati sa front view na rin para makita. And then my biceps, so na yun. Track yung biceps dito, 31 cm. Wow! A 2 cm growth pagdating sa biceps ko. I am happy with that kasi I don't really put too much effort pagdating sa bicep kasi may takot ako na magkaroon ng bicep tear. Yeah, I'm really happy with that. And then halata ata na hindi ako nag-leg day masyado because my thighs and my calves, actually maganda yung calves ko since nag-grow siya or hindi pa rin siya balance pero nag-grow siya at least. Pero my thighs mostly stood the same 51 and 52 cm. But yeah, that is my progress for the past 15 days. And definitely hindi lahat ng measurements ko muscle development. Although debatable since nag-creatine nga ako, and I'll discuss further yung creatine pagdating sa ibang video, but ang ginagawa naman ng creatine, it drives water, kung tama ka ng quote, it satiates the muscle. So definitely bumukha siyang mas malaki, but that water turns into energy that we can use when we are working out. Kaya it's really good to take creatine. I think naman na I'm happy with these stats for 15 days, and compared to other videos that I've been seeing, definitely hindi siya impressive na parang wow. I definitely could work more pagdating sa aking workout. I'll explain my workout in a separate video, but for the 15-day update, yun lang yung masasabi ko. Right now, I am taking whey protein, creatine, yun lang naman. Di ako nag-fish oil, pero I think I should start fish oil. Sa pagkakalam ko kasi they are good for your joints, the recovery of your joints. I'll do further research pagdating that. But yes, I think I will start fish oil very soon. As soon as possible at least. Ayun, stay tuned. This is the day 15 of my body transformation.